Okay, next I would like to share how we can format our pivot table as well. Okay, so I will straight away just use this. I'll just drag MRT network over here. So how we can format our pivot table? One is that we can apply the built-in style over here. So go to pivot table tools and click on design. So there's this pivot table style over here. There's a few options over here you can choose, or let's say it's not enough, you can just click on the drop down button over here. Then you can freely choose which particular style that you want. Let's say I choose this. Okay, so this is how you can apply the pivot table style. And few more things that I wanted to share with you on pivot table style is there's this pivot table style option where you can utilize as well. So this is on row header and also column header. This is referring to those label over here. So let's say, for example, row label. Okay, row label, to show it, let's pull this MRT network back to your row label. So if let's say you unclick this row header, then you won't see them highlighted on your pivot table report. And let's say you want them again, you just click on this row header, then it will highlight it for you. This is like, this is the information nested within this MRT network. And same for your column header as well. Let's say we don't want column header, then it won't highlight this. And if let's say you want them, you just click on this. And banded rows and also banded columns is also easier for the reader to read. So if let's say I click on this particular banded row button, so you can see that each different row will have different color tone. So one is lighter and one is darker. Then same goes to the banded column as well. Right now you probably won't see it because I think the coloring is a bit jumbled up. Let me try to use back the old one. Yeah, there you go. You see that the different color tone for different column. So this is how you can use the pivot style option